Stitch number 26 on the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine is a mending stitch. Now, I won't tell anybody that this machine mends, but it's actually really easy. You can totally get mending done in a flash. So first off, notice what foot it asks for, foot 2A, without the IDT, so disengage that. If this information is not showing on your screen, touch the I for information. And you do notice that there is a picture of the reverse button. So same picture that's on the last button here, because that's what we're going to tell the machine when to turn around. So if you need to stitch all the way down to this amount of stitches, you'll touch the reverse button and then it will fill all that in from the left needle position all the way to the right needle position. You are going to want to stabilize your fabric, whether that's putting some interfacing behind the ripped area or even just another piece of fabric. But let's just say our rip is in this general area. Wherever it is, you want to start in the upper kind of left corner of where you want the stitching to be. Now, as you stitch this first line of stitching, so if it's counted down, let's say about 10 stitches, and then you touch that reverse button, that's what the machine will remember. So now it will set it, and it'll go 10 stitches back, 10 stitches forward. Remember, every single needle position will get a stitch working from that left to the right needle position. Now, if your rip wasn't too wide, you could easily stop before it was done, or just keep your foot on the foot control until it's completely finished. Those are the locking stitches, and it's ready to actually start it again. So if you had more distance to cover this direction, you can line up your needle, maybe not right on the last stitch, but maybe back in a little bit. And if you had matched your thread to the fabric you're working on, this would have been completely blended in, and you pretty much are recreating the fabric before it became damaged.